Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start first chapter of computer. The name of this chapter is communication tools, and our today topic is latest trends in computer technology. So, in the previous videos, we got knowledge about antivirus tips and some worms and the some detection methods and the other concepts. And today we are going to start latest trends in computer technology. Dear students, trends means what is the meaning of here? Trends are general direction in which something changing means when anything change in the computer technology that they explain us. Here are top 10 trends of 21st century computers. First is computers will become powerful extensions of human beings designed to augment intelligence, learning, communications and productivity. Means computers become powerful extensions, which means they provide different facilities to individuals regarding design to intelligence, learning, communications and to increase the productivity in every part of the business. And the next one is computers will become intuitive. They will learn, recognize and know what we want, who we are and even what we desire. Means they understand us, means what they can learn us, they can recognize us, they can know about our desires and they know what we want to search for computers, which regarding technology we want and who we are, means they know about our address and with the help of accounts on the Gmail and even what we desire. Next, computer chips will be everywhere. The computer chips like memory card, others everywhere, and they will become invisible embedded. Invisible embedded means not visible to any person in everything from brain and hearts. In brain and hearts, the computer chips we can keep to cross and twice also. Is we we see in the twice and the some clause where the computer chips are recognized and the some music are gone, that with the help of the computer chips. Next, computers will manage essential global systems. They will manage essential global systems such as transportation and food production better than human will. Next, online computer sources will enable us to download application on demand via wireless access everywhere and anywhere and anytime. Means online computer sources, the online computer sources help us to download any application on demand via wireless access. Means we can use the wireless and sources anywhere and anytime, any place. Next, the computer will become voice activated. They become the voice activated, networked, video enabled and connected together over the net, linked with each other and humans. Means they become the voice activated. We can send our voice with the help of any network authorities, social sites, and video enabled. We can make the videos connect together over the net and linked with each other. And human, we can link with the help of computers and network to any place to other persons. Computer will have digital sense speech. They have the digital sense speech like sight, smell, hearing, enabling them to communicate with humans and other machines. Means they have the digital sense, they can smell and hearing, enabling them and communicate with the humans and the other machine. Like the example of robots, they can communicate with the humans as well as the other machine working. Then neural networks and other forms of artificial intelligence will make computers both as smart as humans and smarter for certain jobs. Artificial intelligence with the neural networks and the other forms, the computer will make more smarter than the humans, and some working place some working place the computers do better job than the human beings. Next, human and computer valuation will converge. Synthetic intelligence will greatly enhance the next generation of humans. The human and computer valuation will converge. It cover the human and computer vision and the scientific intelligence. The scientific intelligence will greatly enhance. It greatly enhance the next generation of humans. Next, as computers surpass humans in intelligence, a new digital species and a new culture will evolve that is parallel to ours. Means computer, human intelligence. In the intelligence, the computers are more smarter than the human beings, and a new digital species and new culture will be involved with the computer and the humans. And this exercise I will send you in the PDF form.